shadows creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Betha and you're watching Betha Pau. So in today's video, I actually wanted to take you with me to pick a parcel, which is actually a phone, but I think my phone will have other plans. Either way, I'm going to try and record everything that I can, and for whatever I can't, I won't. And in case it starts acting up, I'll just like leave it there, but I have recorded the outfit, so I'll be showing you what I'm wearing. And yeah, let's see how this goes. This is my hairstyle. I'm doing a side part, low bun, no gel to my edges. I don't feel like having gel to my edges. I don't know, with me gel goes like with the feeling, so there's that. I don't feel like applying gel to my edges, but I think I still look good. I think the style still comes out looking good. And yeah, so let's get going. I'm so excited, very excited. I think this is going to be a game changer for me, like at the moment, because I was feeling a little bit low. So let's get there and see what is in store. I hope to get back very soon. There's no so much traffic today because it's on a Sunday. So I hope to get back very soon. I don't know if I'll be having any stops, but I don't think so. I just want to head to the parcel office and back to the house so that we can do unboxing video. Yeah, so that we can do an unboxing video. And yeah, there's that. So come along with me. I hope you do enjoy. Make sure you hit that subscriber button. Make sure you do
My name is Carrie. I'm so very fly. Oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie. I'm so very fly. Oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. Talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know that you're cute, then baby, sing it with me. Oh, don't leave it out again. Don't question what this girl did. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I don't do it.
I just made it back to the house. And I'm carrying my parcel. So we should actually unbox this. It's actually from my supplier. Not really. Let's not call him supplier. So I thought I was having a scissors. So can you guess what it is? It is in a iron box. Iron box. But it's not an iron box. So it has been packed in an iron box, but it's not an inbox. Iron box. Oh, okay. I think I'm just gonna cut the iron box because I don't understand it. Okay. We are almost there. Okay, this tape is so sticky. I can't believe it. I can't believe we went. Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. This is so nice. So I have the screen protector. This was like already installed for me on the phone because I asked him to do that. So let's check in and see what we have. So the box has already been opened. I didn't know what to buy, so I decided to try this out. Why can't you read there? Okay. Nice to meet you. Guys, we have a new camera. We have a new camera. We have a new camera. We have a new phone. It's so lovely. Okay, so the other phone, before we talk about this one, the other phone actually has some huge battery issues. So in the beginning of the year, not in the beginning of the year, actually at the end, in the beginning of 2024, I was heavily rained on, and that was actually in my bag. So I didn't realize it had been rained on until after I used it, and when I later tried to charge it, it wasn't charging. So that's where the problem began. So it actually has been dying on me, like literally dying, when I do go and just like try to withdraw cash, try to use the camera, try to go on YouTube. Like it has actually been dying on me. So I actually replaced the camera on January, and after I replaced the camera on January, it actually did behave. So I found it not dying to have another phone. So I have been using that camera, that battery, but again the problem has resurfaced. It's again just dying on me. Like if it's not plugged on a power source, I think it has turned out to be a desktop. If it's not plugged on the power source and I go to some apps, it just like literally dies. So I just made this purchase, and this is actually new. This is new. It's like it's it's the second phone I've bought myself. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. So this I bought myself. This I've also bought myself. Before these two, I had a Techno Camon 8. I was given as a gift, but now we are on this. So I haven't used Redmi before. So this is just Redmi, not 14. I haven't used this before, but if it's the best, like if it gives me the best experience, I think I'll upgrade to Note 14 Pro Plus because I just like loved how sleek it looked, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So let's see what else is in the pack. So here it has some notes. I don't know. The struggle has been real. The struggle has been real. The struggle has been real. So let's see what's also in the box. In the box. So we have a box here. Oh, it has a cover. Oh, I like that. I really needed a cover and a screen protector because the other phone that I'm using to record, I had just bought a screen protector and a cover the other day. If you have been following me, you know that because I think I vlogged that. either on my shorts or I don't know, but I think I did that. I love the cover. I love the cover. I love the cover. I love the cover. It looks exactly like the one that is on this other phone, but it has got this other phone has got a blue cover, but the material is the same. So this is a plus. Like, just thank you for that, because I don't know where I was gonna get more cash to just like guys. I think now the only thing that I'm remaining to ask God in this year is actually to move. That is the only thing that is remaining, because all the other things, my friends, God has been faithful. God has been faithful. It's working out. It's working. So there we have it. There we have the cover. I love the cover, but it has this Kanika note of Redmi over here. I think, I don't know, but I think I'll be getting some stickers. I don't know. I did press it. It's opening. So I think I'll be getting some stickers, and I don't know, maybe I'll cover this up. But I don't mind it. I don't mind it. It looks so nice. Like, look at that. It looks so perfect. It looks so nice. So we have that. So there's nothing else in the box. So here, oh, we have a charger, a cable, and this charger. Okay, the charger looks so good, but I'm so used to the three-fingered. Is it three-fingered? Three-legged for techno. I feel this one can easily break or something. So I don't know. It's on, guys. It's on. It's on. It's on. So I'll be charging it until like it fills up the battery, because I see it's at 7% before I start using it. So this is the charger. Uh, it has like a paper on top. I'll be removing that, but I fear these legs. I fear this. Like, I feel it can easily be broken. I love the one with three legs, the techno one. Then that's it. That's everything that is actually in this parcel. We have a lot of, what are they called? Boxes of just layouts. And this is actually what we have. So I'm so excited. I'm hoping to just like actually do a lot of vlogging and all that nice stuff with this. So I love it. Okay. Let me take my first selfie. Nice, but my name is not showing very well. Okay. So I hope you guys have actually enjoyed the vlog. I'm actually so excited about this. I hope this gives me the best experience, so that I can buy the Pro when this actually gets tired, or what will be there at the moment when this gets tired. But at the moment, this is what is going to be working for me. Until next time, make sure you do hit the subscriber button, because there is a lot of movies or pictures coming over. So make sure you do hit the subscriber button. Make sure you do like. Make sure you do share. Until next time, signing out. Bye bye.
Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, you played me dirty, you gave me so bad. Toy when my affliction had to fill out my prescription. Come remedy, I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave. Nightmares creep while you and